Balding has been a struggle for millions worldwide, but science is rewriting the story of hair loss. From ancient remedies to futuristic biotech, hair restoration is advancing faster than ever. Let's explore the most exciting breakthroughs. Gene editing and stem cells. Researchers are experimenting with CRISPR gene editing to reactivate dormant follicles, while stem cell therapies are showing promise in regenerating new ones. Imagine repairing hair loss at its genetic root. Smart medicines and new therapies. Next-generation JAK inhibitors, already FDA approved for alopecia areata, have helped patients regrow up to 80% of their scalp hair in trials. Meanwhile, low-dose oral minoxidil is gaining traction as a safer, more effective option for everyday balding. Advanced procedures. Hair transplants are evolving too. Robotic surgery now ensures natural placement, while 3D bioprinting of follicles could one day create unlimited donor hair. Natural and alternative approaches. Even traditional remedies are being re-examined. The ancient Chinese root Polygonum multiflorum is under study for its ability to block harmful hormones and activate growth signals. Cutting-edge boosters. Scientists are exploring nanotechnology serums, exosome therapy, and even wearable devices that stimulate follicles with light or microcurrents. AI is also being used to personalize treatment plans. The future of hair restoration is no longer science fiction. With gene therapy, smart drugs, and innovative devices, regrowth is becoming a reality. Balding may soon be just a chapter in history. Subscribe to The Knowledge Bug for more science breakthroughs explained simply.